Portable folding toilet for orders. Please check video description. This is a folding toilet, okay, for camping, travel, folding car, emergency toilet. So 52% off. That's why this is the discount price and this is the actual price. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. This is the folding toilet, okay, with cover seat toilet, reusable toilet for adults kit, reusable toilet, okay. So if you want to journey anywhere, you can use this. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Convenient folding toilet. So thank you so much for watching this video. 55 reviews, 334 sold out. So thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, now you must check description for buy this product.